Alright. I don't know if I'm really actually going to do anything, but it's just like one of those things where it's like, seriously, Mother Nature? Like, what the fuck? You come at me with this shit? It's goddamn April. Let's see. I think it's like April 10th. So, what the fuck? We've got like an inch. Mind you, beginning of this day, there was no snow. And now look at it. What in the fuck? Well, yeah. I know I'm gonna probably come out here. I want to try and pull this rear bumper off. Gotta try and start getting prepped for paint, because you know this is perfect painting weather. So yeah, I'm gonna try and pull that off, and I also kind of want to see how it looks. Maybe it'll look cool. But yeah, so let's do that. Okay, so today we're gonna try and get started on getting this stuff tore down, sanded, and all that good stuff. So things I got. So I've already removed the rear bumper cover. I need to remove the tail lights, like the tail panel, and then I also have to remove the tail lights from the tail panel because the tail panel needs to get sanded and painted. The roof scoop's got to come off. I would ideally like to pull the mirrors off, but it's not 100% sure. I just think it'll be easier. And then I'd also like to pull the hood off, just because I think that'll make it easiest. Plus, then I can paint in all the jams and everything because I really want it. Like, I don't really care if it's like I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just looking for a reasonably nice paint job that's not going to be like super noticeable that I did it. And then that should be about it. I gotta probably pull this guy right here because I like the paint behind them, and then we'll put the things back in, even though they'll probably get painted gray, I'm thinking too. We'll see. But yeah, it's kind of where we're sitting. So pretty much just got to get right to it and start pulling shit off. Oh yeah, and then I got to pull the quarters have to come off this side and that side. And that should be about it. And then we just got to start taping off shit. So tape off and sand. So yeah, let's just get right into it. It looks so much cooler without the rear bumper, but I posted a poll on like the Fiero group and a Garageless group and on Facebook, and they all want the cover. So I guess I understand because it doesn't look complete. It wasn't designed to be ran without it, so it doesn't look really complete. I just think it looks cool because, like, if you look at a lot of like actual diffusers, they usually aren't supposed to be like formed into the body. But oh well. So what we're gonna do is everything I just said. So let's do that. All right, enough rambling on. Don't want to bore you guys. Well, there it is, tore down. So roof scoops off. Got the side panels off. Rear thing, or the rear taillight panels took off. Rear bumper cover is off. And so I'll have to do hood, and then I gotta get these mirrors off. So that should be fun because you're pretty sure you gotta pull a door panel off. Lame, but yeah, we'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I want to, but I don't. I don't know, I just feel like the tape edge is not going to be very nice, so you're just going to see it. Dang it. But yeah, that's where we're at. So let's keep going. So yeah, if you're ever trying to take off the mirror, you take out this guy. You might have to pull this guy back to get access to one of the screws. There's 3 screws, 2 right here, and then there's 1 right behind here. But you should be able to pry it out and get it with a Phillip. And then it's just a matter of finessing down in there. You got 1 right here, and then the other's back here. So, yeah, let's get that off. Okay, so that's the passenger side. This is the driver's side. So, one thing I kind of screwed myself on. So this had the cables that went in here, and they attached into these little guys. I took them out already. Well, I cut the cables because I want to get rid of that. And I was hoping like this would, you know, be at least firm, because I know that one holds itself and it doesn't have cables. Well, apparently the driver's side is not the case. So I'm going to have to figure out something on how to pretty much mount this, but be able to adjust it a little bit. So I'll have to get kind of creative on that. But I'll worry about that once we got it back on the car, because I need to be able to set it to wherever. I'm thinking I might just epoxy it in and just send it as that. So yeah, that's where we're at. So let's continue on. Okay, got the windshield taped off. So now let's do like the passenger or the driver window, I mean. So let's get the driver window done, and then we can do the passenger side, and then I'm gonna try and get the back crap done. And then like the last thing we'll do is we gotta do all the black trim on the bottom. It's gotta get taped off. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, this side's done. Now to the other side. Okay, so I got this side done. Door handle's done as well. Same thing on the other side. So now I'm going to try and get this all covered. So let's do that. Okay, so there it is. Got it all as good as it's going to be. I plan to spray this gray, because why not? Obviously that'll all get painted. This will all get painted. I don't care about this stuff getting painted gray. I've taped off a little bit here so that way this stays black. This doesn't matter if it gets painted gray. And then all that stuff can get painted gray. I'll have to tape off this stuff. Even though honestly I'm not too worried about it, because I mean obviously this stuff's going to get cut out in the coming winter, so that doesn't really matter. I think I might just like maybe pull out this rubber. I don't know. Not sure what my plan is to cover up. Maybe like the radiator and the lights and stuff, and then like brake booster. I'm not too sure. I want to take off the hood with somebody else here, so that way I don't fuck it up. I'm gonna probably have to re-fiberglass it because it's kind of separating. So I must not have sanded too well there, but not a big deal. Yeah, there's a lot of little things I need to do for body work, mostly on the stuff I removed, but pretty much game plan is get this thing painted, and then I'll pull it out, and then I'll be able to set up and get everything else painted and sanded in here. So yeah, that's where we're at. I guess we got the lower trim we can do. Yeah, kind of running low on tape. We got a wee bit of this, and the one roll I bought is kind of getting down there. So yeah, we'll see how far that gets me, and yeah, that's where we're at.